So I was going to recover the refrigerant and test it first. This is not working. They bought it brand new. It broke soon after, and they could not get it serviced. And I know the tool truck that sold it to them, and I talked to the tool guy because the tool guy who sold this was my very first tool guy when I went to work in a mechanic shop, my first job. And he said he tried to talk them out of buying this because there was no service for it. And he says RRR, you could get service really easy. All these other brands he had problems with. He won't even sell his own tool trucks manufacture air conditioning equipment, even though he can make more money on it. He won't sell it because then his customers will be mad at him because they can't get service. And so I know this tool truck guy for many years, and he's all about service, and that's why he's the #1 tool truck guy around here. And so apparently RRR always beats everybody on service, because it doesn't matter how good your equipment might be. If you can't get it serviced, it's worthless. It's kind of like a business. You can own a business for 30 years and you can have $30 million of revenue every year, but if you don't own the building and somebody wants to buy your automotive business, and the owner is going to sell the building to somebody else, and your business is worthless. If you can't get it serviced or you don't own what you own, you're worthless. All right, see you guys.